How to add sidebar on the BuddyPress Members Directory. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to add a sidebar to the BuddyPress Members Directory. As you know, by default BuddyPress does not offer this feature. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar. Second, please copy a snippet from our GitHub library. You can see and click the GitHub URL on this video description. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Still on the WordPress admin dashboard, please go to the appearance menu, and then widgets. You will see a new Members Directory Sidebar Box. Add any widgets you want there. Let's see the result. Now you have a sidebar on Member Directory. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.